Today, I'll walk you through how to create a journal in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a beautifully designed journal page so you can start documenting your thoughts and experiences effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, open OneNote and navigate to the notebook where you want to create your journal. Once you're there, look for the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where the magic begins. Click on Insert and then select Page Template. This will open a right side menu filled with various templates to choose from. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. For this tutorial, I'll select the decorative category and choose the Lilies template. Once you make your selection, you'll notice that your page transforms into a journal type note adorned with your chosen design element. It's like giving your thoughts a beautiful home. Now that you have your template set, let's add some content. Click anywhere on the page to start typing your entries. You can jot down your daily thoughts, reflections, or even goals. The beauty of OneNote is that you can customize your journal further by adding images, links, or even audio recordings. Think of it as a digital scrapbook for your mind. If you want to enhance your journal even more, you can explore additional features within OneNote. For instance, you can create sections for different themes or topics, making it easier to navigate through your entries later. This is similar to organizing a physical journal into chapters or sections, allowing for a more structured approach to your writing. As you continue to personalize your journal, remember that there are no strict rules. Feel free to experiment with different templates and layouts until you find what resonates with you. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. The goal is to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Once you're satisfied with your journal setup, make sure to save your work. OneNote automatically saves your changes, but it's always a good practice to double check. And there you have it. You've successfully created a journal in OneNote. This tool not only helps you keep your thoughts organized, but also allows you to express yourself creatively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.